Hi, welcome to Kickstarter. I'm Dennis. I designed and manufactured this titanium style wrench. It's EDM wire cut out of grade 5 titanium. It hasn't been polished or sandblasted, it's still got the raw plate effect. Just here is a hole for a key ring. On the other side is a small hook for a bottle opener. On the bottom is a flat screwdriver. On the other side is a Phillips screwdriver that's been CNC'd. On this side is metric, it's from 10mm down to 4mm. On this side is imperial, from 3/8 of an inch down to 1/8 of an inch. I'll now show you working on some screws and nuts, starting off with a small Phillips screw. Next size up, Phillips screw. Another one, a larger one, to a flat, another flat screw. It's got a Phillips screwdriver in the centre. And we go to the nuts, which this is a 5mm nut. Next one is a 6mm. You notice it's got a ratcheting style. This is just a what they call a coach bolt. Actually 8mm. On the other side of the wrench it's a 5/16, and that's your 10mm. Also for shackles, for boats, boat trailers and so forth, they get sometimes rusted on, so you can easily undo them, or if you want to make sure it's done up tight, it's perfect for that, especially if it's on your car ring, so it's quite handy. Also it does hose clips. Yeah. Also does the other side, and of course you've got your Phillips screwdriver, oops, and your flat screwdriver. Also makes a good bottle opener. Okay, we've got a box here. Another box. Cutting, clipping. This is a titanium wrench, a EDM wire cut. This one is suited for metric and imperial. It's 10mm and 3/8 this end. On the other end it's 8mm and 5/16. It fits coach bolts. There's your normal 8mm, your 10mm. It fits on the other wrench, so I want to use a torsion bar. If I need that extra torque, same with a 10mm, I want to give it that extra leverage. It's also good for hose clips, just in tight spaces, and you want the job done quite quickly. This is a 12 and a 14mm, similar wrench. What this is good for is for under U-bolts. It's really good because you don't even need to look at it where you're putting it on, it just finds itself and ratchets. This one is 90mm and 3/4 of an inch this end, and that's 17mm and 5/8. This one is also good for pipe clamps. especially over here, for example. I want to get underneath in a tight space so it finds itself and quickly undoes. This one is very similar to the small one. Get some pearl on one side and metric on the other. It's just, I'll give you an example of all the bolts it can do. Starting off on the 5. It's got a good ratcheting action. Fits a lot of size bolts. It's your 17mm or 5/8. That's your 3/4 inch or 19mm. Also does can do a tap up ratchet, makes it quite easy. We've got a bung on a pipe, square bung, also ratchets that. Also it's a 70mm or 5/8. Ratchets that very easy. And I'll just go to the other side now. And that's a 3/4. And get some tight spaces. Back the other way. Really tight. Works well. All the wrenches are made to open bottles. Same with the larger wrench. And the 14mm and 12 also opens a bottle. We've got one more here with the smallest one. All good bottle openers. That's about it. Thank you.